cut that down. Get that in there. Get that in there all beautiful. Just an inch of mud. Just shove it in there. Shove it in there. Make it all ready to be a base. Ready for it to be a base. Extra here. Get up there. The rest of this up there. And this is how you use a whole pan of mud in one setting. And it's so imperative to not waste your mud. You know, so scrape that mud pan real good. Get all of everything out of the corner, so you have nice clean mud pan, so that you All right, rebuilt that one. It's going to be hard with that crack there too. I have to gouge all of that out and refill it, but it is what it is. You know, I think that all of this should come right out. It should come right out. It's so bad. But, you know, it's a closet, and so you want to make everything nice in the closet, but yet you don't want to waste too much time in the closet. So now we go and create another mud pan. And so we make sure that this is all nice, ready to get its, just make sure that we can come in here, do what we're supposed to do, not make more work for myself than necessary. But this has to come out here because this is just fucked up and stupid. I see this this. That's nice and firm in there, so that's good. This is all. Fresh coat. What a nap. That's how you start a fresh. That's fresh. I gotta remove those things. Whew. Okay, more mud. More mud. So what do I do with this little speck of mud? This little speck of mud that means nothing to me at all. There we go. Voila. Clean mud pan. Now you gotta clean the mud pan and start out fresh. So now
thing was about. Starting with fresh mud, fresh clean pan, fresh clean knives, so that get down here. Thank you. You know, no one ever considers cleanup part actually work, you know. Are you really getting the corners? Are you really seeing what I'm doing down here? No, you're not. You're looking at me. I want you to see what I'm wasting my time on. You know? So here we have almost a virtually clean pan. And so what does virtually clean mean? It means that wherever you can put your fingers, there can't be any mud. So here we start out with a fresh pan. What does it look like to start out with a fresh pan? I'm not supposed to be watching this, you are. But now we can start another coat of mud. And we're out of mud. We're out.
What?
Yep. Out of 45. Put it that way. Out of 45. I like it. That's all she wrote. She wrote a lot, and that's all she wrote. Excuse me, I need to take care of some business. Just give me a second, please.